Good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to introduce about one of the most beloved and traditional dishes of Vietnam, phở bò. It is considered a symbol of Vietnam and it is enjoyed by both locals and visitors from around the world. Phở bò is more than just a meal in Vietnam. It's a part of our culture. Traditionally, people eat phở for breakfast, often at small local street stores. Nowadays, you can find food being served at any time of the day in restaurants ranging from humble roadside vendors to upscale dining establishments.
We move to the next part, the origins of beef pho. Beef pho is believed to have appeared in the early 20th century in northern Vietnam, particularly in Nam Dinh and Hanoi. Although there are no official historical documents confirming the exact time of its creation, various studies and oral traditions suggest that beef pho began to take shape between the 1900s and the 1920s. Regarding its origin, some people say that pho came from a Cantonese dish called Nghiu Nhục Phấn. The word pho is thought to come from the Cantonese word phấn, which refers to rice noodles, similar to the noodles used in pho today. When the dish was adopted to Vietnamese culture, phấn became pho. Another theory suggests that beef pho was inspired by the French dish pot au feu. It's a kind of beef stew. Over time, this cooking method combined with Vietnamese spices and herbs to become beef pho we know today.
A traditional approach of beef pho consists of three main components: broth, simmered from beef bones, or from marrow bones, combined with spices like star anise, cinnamon, grated ginger, and onions, cloves, and cardamom. The cooking process takes from 6 to 12 hours to produce a clear, naturally sweet broth. Second, rye noodle. Made from rye flour, cut into thin, flat strips. The noodles are soft but not mushy, with a slight cheminess. And third is beef. This can include red beef slice, well-done breakfast tendon, flank, or beef bone. Dinner can choose according to personal preference.
Cultural significance. Pho is not merely a popular food, it represents the essence of Vietnamese cuisine. For many Vietnamese people living overseas, a bowl of pho evokes strong feelings of nostalgia and reminds them of their homeland and loved ones. Nowadays, beef pho is widely enjoyed in countries like the United States, Australia, France, and Japan, acting as a cultural link that connects Vietnam with the international community. Significantly, in 2021, the term pho was officially included in the Oxford English Dictionary, highlighting its growing global presence and cultural importance.
Now we talk about how to eat and characteristic. What makes beef pho special is its clear yet flavorful broth, not only but rich in taste due to the long simmering process, while traditionally eating in the morning. Nowadays, pho is enjoyed any time of day. Some popular variations of beef pho include: first, stir-fried pho is a different version from traditional pho because the pho noodles is not served in broth but are stir-fried with other ingredients. Fried pho is another creative variation of pho, especially popular in Hanoi. Pho noodles are cut into small squares and fried until crispy. Pho roll is a dish created from pho noodles. Pho noodles are rolled like dry paper inside the beef, herbs, lettuce, and the cucumber. The next is Pho with red rice sauce is a popular version of pho in the north, especially in Hanoi. Vegetarian pho is a choice for vegetarians or those who want to change the taste. Vegetarian pho is often served with the raw vegetable and mushroom. The last is mixed pho, is a version of pho without broth. The noodles are mixed with beef, chicken, and seafood, with a rich sauce.
In conclusion, phở bò is not just a traditional Vietnamese dish. It is a reflection of our history, culture, and identity. If you ever get the chance to visit Vietnam, make sure to try phở bò from a local vendor. It's an experience that goes beyond just eating. It's a taste of Vietnamese life. Thank you very much for listening.